What's up, guy? John here. So yesterday I bring my R3 in for the chain clean and lube service, and then after that I ride my bike home, put it in the garage, and this morning I take it out to like get it washed and stuff, but I found out this shit happened to my bike. As you can see right here, you can see like they fucking scratch up my bike. You see all over my bike, and they get a fucking gloss black spray paint. They try to cover it up, but it's not fucking working. As you can see clearly right here, you can see the paint dot all over my bike. You see that shit? And this piece right here is gloss black, and they get like spray paint all over this part too. You see that? See all the dot and stuff? And up here you can clearly see this shit is gloss black. It's just recently paint on it. You can see the paint dripping down and stuff. And my bike is all scratched. You see the fucking deep ass scratch right here too. It just fucking pissed me off, dude. Can you see up there? If they drop my bike, this shit's gonna like protected, but this thing right here is smooth. I don't know how the fuck this shit happened. And on the top right here, this thing, when you spin, this shit like bent a little bit. You can see that? You see it's bent. If you stay all the way far out here, you can see it too. Let me zoom it in. See, you clearly see the gloss black spray paint on it. You see that? And it's fucking pissing me off, dude. I wish they would have fucking tell me what happened. Like, I drop your bike, I scratch your bike, we gonna fix it. I don't give a shit, man. But they fucking covered it up with a fucking spray paint. Look, that doesn't fucking match my bike color, man. This shit is matte black, not fucking gloss black. And it's fucking pissing me off. And I bring my bike to the shop this morning. I tell them what happened, and they said they're sorry. They said they're gonna buy a brand new panel, install it for me for free. And you see right there, just fucking messed up, man. See, just this part right, see tip of my finger right here and bottom of my thumb right there, that entire section right there is spray paint gloss black. And underneath here too, right here, entire that thing. It's so fucking messed up, man. There's scratch up here too. Fucking bullshit. Like I said, I wish they would have fucking tell me what happened to it, and then I would understand and then fix it. I don't care. But instead they fucking covered it up. They tried to get a spray paint that shit over. Just fucking, man, just pissed me off, dude. Fuck.